We're playing catch. We're playing with the ball. This floor is level. It shouldn't even be going that way. I likes your voice, Casey, when you talk to her.
Fido, what you doing? You gonna play ball? Come on. Give me the ball. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on.
He's trying to push.
Oh, you're almost there. Come on.
Trying.
Good boy. Come on. Come here, Fido. Fido, what you doing? You go get the ball. I can't whistle for fucking shit, man. All right, you ready, Fido?
Hang on. There we go.
Fido, give me the ball. Don't you get your ball stuck under there. Come on, bring it back. Come on. Give it back. Come on, buddy. Bring it back out. Let's get it out of there. Come on. Oh, you're so close. Come on. Come on, buddy.
It's bouncing up and down.
Take it out from the side.
Like it's being squished.
Come on, friend. Give me the ball. I can't reach under there. Give me the ball. Let's leave it right there.
Yeah, we will. I'm trying to